So continuing off the previous video, let's look at a third way of how you can use the tabular method. So using the problem, the integral of arctan x dx, let's create our charts, or our three columns. So we have a u, dv, and plus minus. So my u is going to be the arctan of x, and dv will just be dx. So I'm going to go ahead and derive the u column. So the derivative of arctan x, where the formula is u prime over 1 plus u squared. So if u is x, then I have 1 over 1 plus x squared. And if I integrate dv, the integral of dx is just x. And we have plus minus. So the third way you can use the tabular method is by stopping at the first line of integration. So this is our first row of integration, so we can just stop right there. And I'll make my arrows, and we just need one row of arrows here. So now when I plug it in, I have arctan of x multiplied by x. Let's write x arctan x, and there's a minus, so minus, and for the last row we always put it under an integral, and we multiply those two. So we have the integral of x times 1 over 1 plus x squared, or we can just use, or call it x over 1 plus x squared dx. And this is actually pretty simple because here we can just use u sub. So if our u, we can make our u 1 plus x squared, which would make du equal to 2x dx. And then if we divide over the 2x, dx is going to equal du over 2x. So when I plug it in, back to the integral, I'll get the integral of x over 1 plus x squared is u, so we just put u there, multiplied by dx, which is equal to du over 2x. The x's will cancel, and du over 2 is the same thing as 1/2 du, and that 1/2 can come out of the integral because it's a constant. So we get 1/2 times the integral of 1 over u du. And we can rewrite that as 1/2. The integral of 1 over u is just the natural log of u. And natural log of u. So when we write our final answer, we have x arctan x minus 1/2 times the natural log of u, and we already said u is equal to 1 plus x squared. So natural log of 1 plus x squared plus c. And that's our final answer.